Good morning class, how are you? I hope you are good and fine. In the previous lesson we have learned about bones and today our topic is muscles and joints. Open your books page number 3, second paragraph. Muscles are the body tissue consisting of long cells and joints means where two bones meet. Bones do not work alone, they move with the help of muscles and joints. The place where two bones meet is called a joint. What is joint? The place where two bones meet is called a joint. Joints help the skeleton to move. They allow us to walk, run, bend or lift things. Allow means make it possible. And bend means turn or twist. Here is the picture of muscles and joint. This is bone. This is muscle. And that one is joint. These are some important points. Bones do not work alone. They move with the help of muscles and joints. The place where two bones meet is called a joint. Joints help the skeleton to move. They allow us to walk, run, bend or lift things. Words meaning. Muscles are the body tissue consisting of long cells. Joints mean where two bones meet. Bend mean turn or twist. Allow mean make it possible. Here is the activity for you. Activity number 1. How many joints are there in these body parts? In middle finger, we have 3 joints. Thumb has 2 joints. Each arm has 3 separate joints. Activity number 2. Fill in the blanks. Bones do not dash alone. The place where dash bones meet is called a dash. You need dash and dash to move your bones. Dash help the skeleton to move. Joints dash us to walk, run, bend or lift things. Thank you student. God bless you. Have a nice day.